Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Day Trade with Tony, the small account challenge. Well, as I said the last couple of days, it's no longer a small account, so we're just going to see what we can do in March with this account. Being very cautious. It was a small account to start off with. It was $2,500. We've been tasked with growing the account 5% day after day, and we've grown it 5% today. So we started today with 30,300. Which effectively meant that I was looking for a little over $1,500 in terms of the gain today. We've managed to get 1575, so just over 5%, 5.2%, I think it is. I think just over 5% is where we finished the day today. So traded three stocks. We traded C3AI. That was the first thing that we traded. We didn't trade anything pre-market. There was nothing moving reliably pre-market. So we traded nothing pre-market. We traded C3AI, ticker AI. We made about $400 to start off with. And then we gave it back with interest. So we ended up in a losing position on C3AI by $850. But then we traded C, so SE is the ticker. And across the course of the day, we've made just over $1,400 on SE. And then we traded PTGX. And we made $1,000 on PTGX. So that took us to 1575. Not going in big size, not being aggressive, just being patient, waiting for the... I actually thought at one stage, we were coming into the open, I thought that just going to be a zero trade day. There was literally nothing moving. So just after the open, we got in and we took our first trade on AI. And then whilst that was red, you know me, I'm a red to green kind of guy. So that was red. Then after that, we got into our zone, and we've been trading reasonably well all day. So let's take a look. I'm going to try a different format for you today. Let's take a look at what we've done here. So you can see here, this is C3AI, and this is the open. It started to move at the open, and we got in here, and it pulled back. We just held through it, and then we got up to kind of over $28, and then we got out again here. Got stopped out there. So that was C3AI. That's not a bad start. So we thought, okay, let's look for another entry. So we got another entry as we broke new highs here. We got in. And we got in there for the new break of new highs, and then it pulled back. And we ended up getting out as it broke new lows. Bottom of this candle here. So we ended up losing like $1,200 on this move. So that wiped out the 400 that we made here, and then 850 besides. So you can see there on that we've got 850 losses up there for C3AI. Then we traded SE, C Limited. Again, at the open, this was a beautiful setup actually. So this is at the open. It decided to make a move up. A little bit of a pullback here, so this could have been a good entry here at 73.99. It's a more expensive stock, but then we get this beautiful textbook bull flag, and we get rejected at $75. Starts to pull back, lower highs, lower lows, pulls back, and then it starts to break out. So I look for I let it retest the highs. It got rejected there. So then when it actually did break highs here, that's when we got in. We got in there and we were able to take some profits halfway up. We took half of our position off here, and then The next position was up here. We put a trailing stop in place and let the market dictate us. And we got stopped out here. So that was SE 14.25 on C Limited or SE. So then we traded PTGX, Protagonist Therapeutics. 10:15, it started to make its move up, and we got in here. Was my arrow? We got in here pretty much as it broke new highs on this candle here. So moving up nicely, it broke new highs there. We got in for the break of highs, break of high of day, if you will. Then it pulled back. So rather than be, disturbed, I added to the position here. And then as it started to make its move back up again, we were able to take some profits on this candle here. And we set a stop in place and we got stopped out on this candle here. So that was our first trade. Then we tried to, we saw it broke out as it would. So we got back in here and we added to our position here as it pulled back, and we took profits here and put with the stop in place, and then got stopped out here. So that was us. Over goal on the day, 15.75. You can watch this. What I'll do is I'll show all three trades. I'll stick them on the back of this review. Let me know if you like this format better than the Dash Trader format. I'm using TradingView, so if you want me to go back to the Dash Trader format, just let me know in the comments which one you prefer. I thought I'd use a little bit of a different format, mix it up a bit, see what you think. So this is TradingView. This platform, by the way, this is TradingView. So where does that put us on the day? I mean, essentially, that was the three trades. We've made 15.75. So where does that put us on the day? Okay, so here's the statistics. We've got March here. You can see that we've got February and January. We've had two red days on the small account since I started it on the 17th of January. What I want to do is I just want to show where we're actually at across the course of the challenge. So since the 17th of January, the details that we've had, I say only 2 red days, 2 losing days in total. Being very selective, having no trades when there's no trades available, and having the discipline to walk away. That is in itself a skill. I've been, I suppose, tempering that with, I've been trading on my other account, my main account as well, so not necessarily just walking away. Only taking the A+ setup. So we made almost $35,000 in gross profits now. We've got a $30,000 account. We've got another $1,500 to, well, just under $1,500 to add to this. And we're now over $30,000, over $31,000 now in terms of the equity position on this account. Across the course of the challenge, we've been averaging a little over 1,200. So we're actually averaging a little over 10% growth per day, but it's a little over $1,200 on average. Let me just pull that back with regards to March alone. So we started with $2,500 in January. We got to the beginning of March, and we've grown the account. Since we started, it was like 4 trading days. We didn't trade last Friday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday this week. And we've made $8,500 in profits in 4 trading days. So that's an average of just over $2,000 a day, based on the initial starting position that we had of $2,500. So we're now growing it to a point where we can make $2,000 a day. So even this month, today we traded 3 times. We took 3 trades, traded with three symbols. One wasn't profitable, the other 2 were. So in March, you can see that trade selection 85%, seven trades, 6 of them profitable. If we look at that across the course of the challenge to date, you can see that we've taken 62 trades and 50 of them profitable. So we're looking at 4 out of 5 trades that I'm taking on this account are profitable. So being patient, being selective with your trade selection, it does pay dividends. It really does. So that's essentially where we are on the small account challenge. So we're over $30,000. The small account challenge is in effect complete right now. But we're just going to continue trading both accounts for the course of March, and we'll be doing it again tomorrow. So tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow is Wednesday. So tomorrow we start all over again. We'll be looking for almost 1550. So let's round it up. $1,600 tomorrow. Let's see if we can get $1,600 tomorrow. That's going to be the goal. Not necessarily in one trade. If we can get it in one trade, great. It took me 3 trades to get $1,500 today. So our average of $500 per trade today. Still really good. But the key here is base hits. It's the base hits mount up. If you can get a home run, great. But you stack those base hits up. And if you do get a home run, great. But you want to be getting to goal with those base hits. And that way you're not risking everything shooting for the fences every time. So we go again tomorrow, an hour before the market opens. We'll be streaming live. That's 8:30 market time, East Coast. And if you want to join me, get involved in the chat. I look forward to seeing you there. In the meantime, enjoy your evening. See you soon. All about base hits. Needs to hold the $50 for me, which is pretty much the swing low of the last pullback. So that's where I'm going to put this stop. This went up to $30 yesterday at the open. $29.98. Yeah, straight up had earnings there. Absolutely, Kyle. Yeah, well, that's the best thing to do. Get green, stay green, get to goal and get out. WW had earnings, so now we've got a profitable trade. So we'll lock some gains in the back. A very quiet day so far, Alistair. This is on the small account, by the way. So today's goal on the small account is $1,500, given that we've got a $30,000 account now. There we go. Base hits is what we're looking for. I'll just put the stop there at the whole dollar. So pull back the whole dollar and breaks it, it stops us out. Only trading smaller. Just want to lock in a few. There we go, $450. That's a good base hit to start off with when 1,500 is the goal. So don't mind that. You're more likely to, just so you put it into context as well, you're more likely to cut your losers early if you're in for smaller size. So I've got in, so we get the $half here. Yeah, it's a good move up. It's pulling back now, so you potential entry there on the break of $75. So, break lows, you get it. It's a nice setup on SE right now for the first pullback, really. Got nice setup here on the 5 minute. We're looking at, what have I got here? I could take 1,000 shares. Spreads on this one, so you've got an 82-cent range, average true range, but the spreads are also about 20-25 cents on average. Above 75. It's my motor. $97.99. Current high of day 75.40, 75.60. It's a new high of day. Looking for 75.50. $75.36. 38. High of day 75.38. $75.50, should get it. 47, 55. Just take half off. What's the range? 500. So this is the small account, by the way. If you're wondering why I'm not going in big size, it's because I'm on the small account. $76 now. Just put a stop there on the 76. I'll let this play out. Next pullback doesn't stop me out. As we get a continuation, I will add to the position. Just going to put a trailing stop in place now. So what's the 75 cents? I've got an average true range of 84, but I'm going to put a 75-cent trailing stop in place for this. So let's see how far it takes me. We're back in the green at least. Yeah, get green, get to goal, get out of the balls. Go on and enjoy your day. Totally agree with you. No point sitting around giving money back to the market when you've got to your goal. Small green day, it's a good day. Any green day is a good day. We were looking for 1,500 on this account. Pulling back. Get stopped out. If I can get 1,200, I'll take it. Let's try it. I'm just thinking, I need 1,500 is the goal for the day. So 77.50 should get me to goal. Well, I'll let it ride. We're now testing 78. 500 shares. I've not looked at BBI. Well, I've got trailing stop in there. I'll take a quick look for you. The high of day is 1813. So it's pulling back a little bit now. I would look for a 36. 18, 13, $18, back up to $18, it might be of interest, but look for a setup, so look for an entry. $18, it might be of interest. If it breaks and holds $18, it might be of interest. I got stopped out, so that cleared the AI trade and a little bit besides. We've got 1,400 bucks on that. That one trade would have been at goal, almost. Oh, 1845 is where the resistance is. I'm not seeing any particular wall there. I've got the seller at 1843. Not seeing. There we go. There's the pop. 1850 is what we're looking to break. There's 1850 on the ask. $0.50 can be quite psychological. 10 cents. 12. Got 20 cents on the average true range, so add to this position before we move back up. A retest of the $0.50. Also, new swing low. $26.26. That's the average true range right there. That's the stop level that I really need to have. So if it breaks any further, right. Okay, so looking for a break of the $0.50 here. Past 1860, hopefully. Yeah, found resistance at 1845 previously, so we've got past that. Now we're caught between the spreads. Two sellers at 51, we've gone past those. We got 1860. Take half off there. 10-cent trailing stop in place there. Makes it, the second half is a free trade, so that 10-cent trailing stop is currently stopping at my break-even point, so got 10 cents. We're struggling up there, that level. I got 10 cents, 56. I'll see. Base hits today. So I've got a trailing 10-cent stop. The average true range is 20, so I'm definitely going to get stopped out very soon. So the reason I put the trailing stop in there was basically to guarantee me a profitable trade. Now I've got another 125 bucks on this. It's 100 bucks on this with a bit of slippage maybe. But base hits. Get me over. If it get me over 1,000, it sets me up for the next session. I need bathroom break as well. Guzzling all that tea. It's not good for your prostate. But this has got a good catalyst. It's only 7% short, and it's a 35.5 million float, but it's not a huge short interest. Don't stop me out there. So pretty much break even. Stop me out. PTGX breaking highs now. Big time. Range on this one, 30 cents is now the range. Looking for a break of a retest, rebreak of 1950. That's 1950 on the ask. Take the bid with you. Half off. So it's over $1,000 locked in. There we go. Forget stop tape. That's fine. It's way too tight. That stop is way too tight, but it's just going to lock in some profits for me. Does that get me to goal on the day? That's the question. Is it going to get me to goal? I need 400 bucks. It looks like I'm going to get to goal. Let's stop tape. Yeah, there you go. $1,500 was the goal on the day. We've hit that. Happy days. So let's switch accounts. Lock this one down. We'll get green, get to goal, get out.